Hey everybody, welcome to the K-2 read along. My name's Kyra.
My name's Maria.
And this month, Maria and I will be taking over K-2 read along for Miss Ann. So today we have a super special story to celebrate Hispanic Heritage Month. Maria and I will be reading The Doorbell Rang by Pat Hutchins. I'll be reading it in English today.
And I'll be reading it in Español.
So as we read, I'm going to read a page in English and she'll read it in Spanish.
I'll read it in Spanish.
We'll be going back and forth. So I don't know if you're ready.
I am ready. Are you guys ready?
I hope y'all are, because I am.
All right.
So let's get started. Awesome. I've made some cookies for tea, said Ma. Good, said Victoria and Sam. We're starving. Share them between yourselves, said Ma. I made plenty.
Hice estas galletitas para la merienda, dijo mamá. ¡Qué bueno!, dijeron Victoria y Santiago. Tenemos hambre. Hice muchas. Repártanlas entre los dos, dijo mamá. We're gonna share, huh?
Oh, I guess we are.
I guess we are. All right.
That's 6 each, said Sam and Victoria. They look as good as Grandma's, said Victoria. They smell as good as Grandma's, said Sam. No one makes cookies like Grandma, said Ma, as the doorbell rang.
Nos tocan 6 a cada uno, dijeron Victoria y Santiago. Parecen tan deliciosas como las que hace abuela, dijo Victoria. Y huelen tan bien como las de ella, dijo Santiago. Nadie hace las galletitas tan ricas como la abuela, dijo mamá. En ese momento, llamaron a la puerta.
Oh no.
Who's
at the door?
Who could it be? I don't know.
Just got cookies.
Exactly.
It was Tom and Hannah from next door. Come in, said Mom. You can share the cookies.
Eran Tomás y Ana, nuestros vecinos. Adelante, dijo mamá. Llegan a tiempo para merendar.
We gotta share?
But they're really good.
I don't know, like Grandma's.
We'll see.
That's 3 each, said Sam and Victoria. They smell as good as your grandma, said Tom. And look as good, said Hannah. No one makes cookies like Grandma, said Ma, as the doorbell rang.
Hay 3 galletitas para cada uno, dijeron Santiago y Victoria. Huelen tan bien como las que hace la abuela, dijo Tomás. Y parecen igual de deliciosas, dijo Ana. Nadie hace las galletitas tan ricas como la abuela, dijo mamá. En ese momento, llamaron a la puerta.
More people.
Can you believe that?
And can you see, Mom, she's struggling to get all those footprints out.
Oh, yes. Did you guys see all those footprints? We'll see about that.
It was Peter and his little brother. Come in, said Ma. You can share the cookies.
Eran Pedro y su hermanito. Adelante, dijo mamá. Llegan a tiempo para merendar. He has a really nice teddy bear.
Yeah, and a hoodie. He looks warm.
He looks really warm. It's nice.
Yeah, fall.
Exactly.
That's 2 each, said Victoria and Sam. They look as good as your grandma's and smell as good. Oh, said Peter. And smell as good. Nobody makes cookies like Grandma, said Ma, as the doorbell rang.
Hay 2 galletitas para cada uno, dijeron Victoria y Santiago. Parecen tan deliciosas como las que hace tu abuela, dijo Pedro. Y huelen igual de bien. Nadie hace las galletitas tan ricas como la abuela, dijo mamá. En ese momento, llamaron a la puerta. Again? Man.
They're only at 2 each.
God, how could it be?
Oh, wow, look at who else came.
Oh my God, look at how...
It was Joy and Simone with their 4 cousins. Come in, said Ma. You can share the cookies. Uh-oh.
Oh my God. Eran Juana, Simón y sus 4 primos. Adelante, dijo mamá. Llegan a tiempo para merendar.
Oh my goodness.
They have a full house. Can
A
you believe
full
this?
house.
Oh my God.
Oh, they brought something to drink.
Milk?
That's one each, said Sam and Victoria. They smell as good as your grandma, said Joy. And look as good, said Simon. No one makes cookies like Grandma, said Ma as the doorbell rang.
Hay una galletita para cada uno, dijeron Santiago y Victoria. Huelen tan bien como las que hace tu abuela, dijo Juana. Y parecen igual de deliciosas, dijo Simón. Nadie hace las galletitas tan ricas como la abuela, dijo mamá. En ese momento, llamaron a la puerta.
We're only got one cookie left.
Oh no!
This seems like a...
Are they gonna have to break the cookies?
Uh-oh. And rang.
Y el timbre sonó y sonó. Dun, dun, dun.
Lots of suspense.
Who could it be?
Oh dear, said Ma as the children stared at the cookies on their plate. Perhaps you'd better eat them before we open the door. We'll wait, said Sam. I'd be staring that cookie down.
Vaya, dijo mamá. Cada niño miró la galletita que tenía en su plato. Será mejor que coman las galletitas antes de que abra la puerta. No, mamá. Preferimos esperar, dijo Santiago. Who could be at the door?
Who could be at the door?
Who
This
could it be?
I have no idea.
I had to find out.
I have to know now. It was Grandma with an enormous tray of cookies. How nice to have so many friends to share them with, said Grandma. It's a good thing I made a lot.
Oh my gosh. Era la abuela y traía una enorme bandeja llena de galletitas. Qué bueno que puedan compartirlas con tantos amigos, dijo abuela. Por suerte hice muchísimas.
You can always depend on Grandma.
That's so nice of Grandma.
She has a lot.
She has so many. Can I get one?
I hope so.
Can we?
Cookies? Yes. And no one makes cookies like Grandma, said Ma as the doorbell rang.
Y, por supuesto, nadie hace las galletitas tan ricas como abuela, dijo mamá. En ese momento, llamaron a la puerta.
That was an awesome story.
That was a great story.
I'm hungry now.
Me
I
too.
should get some cookies. But you know what's better than a cookie?
What?
A craft.
Girl, you read my mind.
So, as you guys know, it's the best time of the month to come and pick up your craft kit. So, Miss Ann has sorted our craft kits into different colors. So, our English books will be in red and orange, sorry. And then our Spanish ones will be in purple.
Woo!
So, let's go into these crafts and let's see what we got.
What did you get? I'm curious.
So, oh wow.
Ooh, what is this?
We have a create your own cookie on a paper plate.
Okay.
We can decorate them, make them look as special as possible. And your end product should actually look like this.
That's the cutest.
They look so yummy.
It's so good.
So
I
good to
can't
eat.
wait to make them.
And it actually comes with little circles on the inside that you can color have whatever flavor cookie you want.
I want to make one that's chocolate chip.
I like mine with sprinkles and frosting.
That's so
Cookies! And then, to continue with our sorting, this is a worksheet for you guys. It's a math worksheet.
Really?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Cookie Monster. Look at that.
Wow! And then, everybody loves to share. So we have this Let's Fair Share page. It's got our cute little hands, and you're gonna actually divide those little candies at the bottom.
That's cute.
There you go.
I would give you 3 and I would keep 4.
But it says equally.
That's equal.
Well, to practice, because obviously Maria needs practice with sharing,
I need practice.
we have another Let's Share page. And this time we're splitting up more candies, but you can split it up between our 2 friends right there.
That's so
There we
nice.
go.
Oh, and what are these cookies for, Miss?
So these
Yeah.
cookies, you can actually cut them out, and maybe you have a little brother, a little sister, or even your mom or dad, and you guys
Okay.
can split them up and share them and practice division.
I love practicing division.
Me too. That's my favorite type of math.
Exactly.
Kind of math where there's food. Well, thank you everybody for joining us for the K2 read along. Make sure that you guys are sharing those crafts on Facebook, and we love to see what you guys are doing. We hope you guys have a good one, and adios.
Adios. Bye.